All right, so we are going to show you guys how to purchase your Magnum Bits. Of course, you'll have some free Magnum Bits when you come in to Magnum Life, and those are to reward and incentivize members to participate in the revenue sharing program. So if you do have some free Magnum Bits, you'll be able to add those to whatever additional Magnum Bits you purchase. So this is going to show you guys basically just how to purchase Magnum Bits in this video. So what you would basically do is go to My Magnum Bits. You click the menu item there, and then you'll see that this will pop up. So what you'll do is go to Buy from here. And then this is going to be the marketplace. So this is going to reflect all of the sell orders inside the marketplace. So let's look at just one of the sell orders here. You can see it has the amount of Magnum Bits. It has the price, which is 0.05. And if you guys haven't watched my video on the revenue sharing program, please check that out. It explains how the price range of Magnum Bits has been set up and why. And then it shows the seller's code as well as when it was posted. So let's say, for example, I was looking to purchase 1,500 Magnum Bits. Let's just, for a random number. There are a few ways you can do this. The simplest way would probably just be to filter the amount here. So if I was looking for 1,500 Magnum Bits, I would just click this 100 to 5K. And then you'll see that it'll filter inside of that range. So then you can just scroll down and look for the amounts. Now just make sure you guys know that the minimum that members will be able to sell is going to be 300 Magnum Bits. It's a very small amount. It's not that much money. So we had to make a minimum amount that members will be able to sell. So your range is really probably going to start from 500 up. So if you're just going to scroll down here and look at which ones you want. So if I was looking for 1,500, all I would do is simply go down to the particular cell I want, and I would click the cart button. You'll notice right when you do that, it shows up in the cart. It's just like any sort of website where you check out, like Amazon, except we're actually an internal marketplace, so it's pretty cool. So then if you want to go back and add the 500 here, you'd scroll down, and that would be, just click the cart. And then right there, you can see now I have 2 items in my cart. So let's say by accident I click this 20,000 Magnum Bit one just by accident. I'll show you when you go to checkout how you can only choose the amounts you want, and then the system will add it up automatically. So that's pretty much it. That's all you really have to do. If you know a specific amount and you want to try and see if someone's selling that specific amount, that's fine. Let's say you know, for example, you definitely want 50,000 Magnum Bits. You could just type in 50,000, and then you'll see the 50,000 orders would pop up. And then you could just click Buy Now if that's all you needed, and it would take you right to the checkout. So, but for this example, I'm showing you guys how to add up different amounts. So let's go ahead and check out, since we chose how many Magnum Bits we want to purchase. You can see in your cart here, you have 1,500 and 20,000. Now, at this point, I would be saying, oh, whoops, I didn't mean to add that in there. And all I would have to do is just click the X, and then that would delete that out of the cart. But I do want 1,500, okay? So I would just click 1,000, and then I would click 500. And you can see that it automatically adds the price up here. And this is going to be in pounds. Of course, UK company, our price is in pounds. So that's basically it. At this point, you would just click Proceed. Now, you have the option of using your e-wallet. Now, again, this is going to be the wallet that you see on your dashboard. And the only reason you would have any sort of income inside of this wallet is from commissions on the e-learning platform. So all the commissions that we have, we went through them in the main presentation. multiple different ways that you guys can earn. So there's a very good chance you're going to have some pounds inside of your wallet balance. So make sure that you look there first. And if you guys wish to use that, then you'd have to have enough to cover the full cost of whatever amounts you're buying. So I can see that the total amount here is 76 pounds, okay? And I have 274. So if I wanted to, I could just use my e-wallet. I would just simply click agree, and then I would pay now. Once I hit pay now, it would instantly take it out of my e-wallet. There's no other step in the process. So that would be that step. But let's go to Bitcoin to show you guys how we would use Bitcoin to pay. And this is going to be the same way we would use Bitcoin to pay for a package or to pay for MagnumBits inside of the Magnum Life website. So I hit Bitcoin, and then once I hit this, I agree. You're going to see that instantly this QR code pops up. Not only that, but it shows the Bitcoin amount, 0.0084. 49875 is the total amount of Bitcoin. So at this point, you can see that if you have a phone with a Bitcoin wallet, then you could just scan this QR code. But if you're doing it on your computer, then you would actually copy this and paste it into where you're sending it. So let me just show you guys how to do that real quick. Hit copy. I'm going to go up here to my Coinbase wallet. I would paste that address in here. Okay, so I want to check the first three and the last three digits. That is something I always do whenever I'm sending and receiving Bitcoin. So I would look at this 1HU and 60K. Come back here, 1HU, 60K. So you can see the Bitcoin amount that I need to send. I'll also copy that. I'm going to copy it. Go back here. You can see that I don't have enough Bitcoin here, unfortunately. I thought I did. So let me go ahead and reduce the amount that I'm purchasing. So I go back to my cart. I can't afford the 1500, so I'll go ahead and just delete one of the 500s here. I'm just going to purchase 1000. So now it's only to 50 pounds, so I should have enough Bitcoin now. So I'll proceed, go back to Bitcoin. Agree to the terms. Now, each time you agree to the terms and conditions when you're paying with Bitcoin, it's going to give you a new address. So let me just go ahead and put this new address in there. 14W RKA. I'll just double check that when I paste it. 14W RKA. That looks good. And then I'm also going to copy and paste the actual Bitcoin amount. There we go. Copy. We'll switch these here. And I'll paste this. Okay, so now you can see I pasted the amount of Bitcoin. So let me just double check that. 0.00563325. So that's correct. I double checked the address, 14W first three, RKA last three, 14W RKA. So I double checked both the amount and the address, and I copied and pasted both of these into my wallet. So this is really important because Magnum Life is not responsible for any lost Bitcoin if you send it to the wrong address. Unfortunately, the way that Bitcoin works is we can't undo that mistake, okay? Self-custody and peer-to-peer consensus networks come with responsibility, and that's something that you have to make sure you're doing on your own. So at this point, we would just hit continue. It's going to give me a confirmation. So again, just if you want to double check here, I already remember that, and that's the correct amount. I would basically hit confirm. Transaction is on the way. Okay, at this point, you would go to the website and you would hit the paid button since it was sent. You sure you want to continue? And then you can see it says right there, thank you, your request is saved successfully. Now, just to give you guys peace of mind, because I don't want people getting freaked out. If for some reason you hit the paid button and the website logs you out, maybe you were idling for too long and the website boots you out, don't worry. As long as you put in the correct address, guys, it will show up inside of Magnum Life within 10 minutes or so later. So I just want you guys to know that. So if you're out there right now and you got kicked out of the website, or maybe you refreshed the page and all of a sudden it gave you an error or something like that because you were idling for too long, don't worry about that. That is going to be certainly okay. So that's it. Let me go to the cart because obviously you can see the 1,000 is in here. So I can just delete that if I want. Now I have nothing in my cart. So let's go look at the order, and I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. If you go down to My Magnum Bits and click the drop down, go to Market History, Purchase History, and then if you scroll down here, you can see this is the date, 8/19, and you can see that this was an e-wallet purchase I did earlier. And then if you go up here, you can see I did a Bitcoin purchase as well. So right now it's not showing the most recent purchase. However, I just wanted to show you guys where you'll be able to find that history once you complete your purchase. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you this video. This shows you just specifically how to purchase Magnum Bits. Please check out the next video on how to deposit those Magnum Bits in order to begin participating in the revenue sharing program here inside of Magnum Life and to enjoy even additional benefits in order to earn unlimited earning potential here at Magnum Life. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys at the next one, and I most certainly will see you at the top.